can make me a monkey, but do not call me chicken. Oh, the Beast Royales are playing in Emerald City? Okay. Let Lucy up. Was he ever really normal to begin with? Fine, very well. Reverso. I'm sorry. I'm just so scared of the dark. I had to have those cave crystals. Really? Like what? Yes, I did. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. It's just that I saw Aldrin there. He said he saw it and then I couldn't take it and then I had to see it to prove him wrong. Thanks, guys. I used to be a proud oak. Now I'm just a weeping imposter. I am imposter. I am an imposter. Me, Maggie, M-A-G-G-I-E, M-A-G-G-I-E, M-A-G-G-I-E. What do you want from me? You're right. I just don't get it. I just don't get it. Cusco broke up with me. No, he didn't. He did. And after I devoted my whole life to him. Don't call me that. Call me Heartbroken Melina. I wanted squirrel. Why can't we have squirrel? Are you mad at us? What did we do wrong?
Okay, I'll get you a squirrel.